Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad protest at Azim Premji University sparks tension in Bengaluru. Tension prevailed at Azim Premji University near Sarjapur in Anekal taluk on Tuesday evening after members of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad staged a protest on campus alleging that an event planned there promoted separatism in Jammu and Kashmir and insulted the Indian Army. According to university officials, around 6 p.m, nearly 20 people forced their way into the campus. They reportedly broke open the gates, shouted slogans, vandalized some property and smeared black ink on the university's nameplate. The university also alleged that a few security guards and students were assaulted during the incident. The protesters claimed they were opposing a program allegedly organized by Spark, a group said to be backed by the All India Students Association. ABVP members alleged that the event promoted anti-India ideas and suggested that Jammu and Kashmir was not a part of India. They also reportedly displayed posters linking the program to the Kunan-Poshpora incident of February 23rd-24th in the year 1991. However, university sources clarified that the administration had not authorized any such event. In an official statement, the university said it follows strict procedures before allowing any program on campus and that the alleged event, said to have been planned by a small group of students, did not take place at all. Students who spoke on condition of anonymity claimed that the group barged into the campus without permission and created chaos. Meanwhile, ABVP protesters alleged that they were assaulted when they objected to the program. Police from Sarjapur station rushed to the spot after being informed. Acting swiftly, officers took several ABVP activists into preventive custody to prevent further escalation. The university strongly condemned what it described as violence unleashed by an external group and reiterated that no such controversial event had been held on its campus. The incident has triggered a debate on campus security, freedom of expression, and political interference in educational institutions.